I prepped a month's worth of meals for my family before traveling, and here is how I did it. As I do this voiceover, I've been out of the country for almost 2 weeks now. I'll soon reveal more on my travels, so subscribe for some new and amazing content. Hi family, welcome back to my amazing subscribers, and for all new viewers, welcome to my channel. This video will mostly be silent since I'm moving quickly, but if you like any of these recipes, I've linked them in the description, so be sure to check them out. I soaked my beans overnight, so I'll start the process by boiling them as I get the kids ready for bed. The kids are now in bed and the fasulia is ready, so I start on the stew. Between packing and finalizing some last-minute errands, I didn't have much time to prepare the ingredients beforehand, so I chop the onions as I cook. Let's see how long this process will take. It's almost 10 p.m. and I hope to be done before morning. I'll cook the dama in a large pot, then use it to make all the dama-based stews. This cuts down the cooking time. This stew base will be used to cook multiple dishes, so I will use a lot of onions. This may look like a lot, but I'm cooking 5 kilos of beef. The beans are cooked, so I finish it off by adding the aromatics, spices and seasoning. I let it cook until everything is well blended in. As the stew base is cooking, I start cooking the meat for the blended okra soup. I cook the bamia. Then I blend it, cover it, and set it aside. The stew base is ready. It will make fasulia, bamia tabir, khudra tabir, and muladama. I start serving the stews into meal-sized containers. I now finish off the bamia mafruka, adjust the water level and salt and seasonings. In this pot, I'm finishing off molokhia or khudra tabir. Now that the mula khudra is ready, I move on to the chicken shorba. It's just after 3 a.m. and the chicken shorba is now the only thing left. To save time as it cooks, I portion the remaining stews and start washing up. I cover the cooled meals and leave the warm ones uncovered for a little longer. I have now finished cooking. Here is everything I cooked. I have mula bamia mafruka, bamia tabir, fasulia and janjaro, khudra tabir, chicken shorba, lamb shorba, and finally mula dama. Though I wanted to add potatoes and vegetables, I left it like this to be eaten with rice because I was exhausted at this stage. If you watched to this point, thank you so much and kindly drop a heart in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe for tasty recipes and more videos of this nature. Kindly hit the thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. I finished washing up and headed to bed because I was traveling the next day and still had errands to run. Let me know in the comments if you try any of these recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.